Let me save you a few years' frustration. When I start YouTube, I made 3 huge mistakes that nearly killed me. I saw creators make the same mistakes every single day. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 biggest mistakes I made and exactly how you can avoid them. So your channel can grow faster, smoother, and with the way less stress. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a best-selling author and a visionary leader in the world of music and art, known as New Power Art. I help artists build a brand, increase income, impact, and influence. So, our topic is about the mistakes. Now, let me talk about the detail. Now, I have seen the ups and the downs, and the ugly. There's no view, 0 view. If you are serious about growing on YouTube in 2025, this video will give you a roadmap of what not to do. Mistake number 1. Creating for yourself, not my audience. I only think about myself, but not the audience at all. When I first started, I uploaded the videos I want to make, not what people wanted to watch. Here's the truth. YouTube is not about you. It is about your audience. If they don't click, if they don't stay, your video won't go anywhere. How to avoid this? Always ask yourself, would I click this if I was scrolling up and down? Use curiosity-driven titles, strong thumbnail, and give real value. The moment I shift my mindset from what do I want to post to what do I want to post to what does my audience need, and then I see my growth. Mistake number 2. Ignoring watch time and retention. I thought views was everything. But views don't matter if people leave after 20 seconds. The YouTube algorithm loves watch time. The longer people stay, the more YouTube pushes your video. How to avoid this? Start with a strong hook. Cut out the fluff. Keep your video moving. Even a 6 minutes video can beat a 20 minutes one if people watch it till the end. Mistake number 3. Treat your YouTube like a hobby, not a business. For too long time, I treat YouTube like a side project. I post, when I say I post randomly, at the beginning, but after that I don't, okay? I had no content strategies, and I didn't track performance. And also, even I track the performance because I have less knowledge, I don't know what to do. Even I track, I don't know the answer. But the channel that grow, the one that survive, treat YouTube like a business. How to avoid it? Be consistent. Track your analytics and have a plan. Post on a schedule. Test idea and improve based on data, not a feeling. You can improve based on the feeling. However, it's better to do the research. What is the data and how you feel, and the comment. You do analysis, do some research. Okay. Now let's wrap up. So those are the 3 biggest mistakes I made. Creating for myself, not my audience. I create videos only for me, not for the other people, not for my audience. Ignoring watch time and retention. This is number 2. And number 3, treating YouTube like a hobby and not a business. Now you know them. You can avoid them, and trust me, that will save you months, even years of wasted effort. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so YouTube know this video was valuable. Subscribe if you want more real experience-based tip on growing your channel. And tell me in a comment below, which mistake are you guilty of? Or which one hit you the hardest? Hurt you? No view, 0 view again, when the video sometimes very painful. 0 view. Now, this is today's video. So before we finish the video, a pop quiz. What is the 3 mistakes you made? I made. Creating for myself, not for the audience. Pay attention on the view, not the duration, not the time and retention. And number 3, treat YouTube like a hobby, not as a business. If my message inspires you, welcome to join my program. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Remember, don't forget to turn on the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.